Guys, thanks. Yeah, a rare total solar eclipse is happening tonight in Southeast Asia. Now, you don't have to travel there to get it, though. You can watch it right from home before when it hits the continental U.S. for the first time in nearly 4 decades next year. NASA scientist Alex Young joins us now more with about that. Good morning, Alex.
Good morning.
So I kind of want to get right into this because this is a really cool, rare occurrence. So what will happen during this eclipse?
So the moon is going to move in front of the sun, and the moon, sun, and earth are aligned just so that the moon actually completely blocks out the sun. So it's going to cast a shadow down on the earth, and that shadow is going to start in western Indonesia, Sumatra area, travel across the Indonesian islands. Some of Micronesia will be covered, and then it's going to head out into the Pacific. And so those that are lucky enough to be in that shadow, what we call the path of totality, will get to experience this total solar eclipse.
And I know we can't rocket right over there from Las Vegas, but we can watch it here live.
Exactly. So we're going to be broadcasting this live in conjunction with the Exploratorium, and that's going to be something you can find at nasa.gov/NASA-TV.
And during the eclipse, what exactly will NASA scientists be doing in preparation for the one we get next year?
Well, NASA scientists will be doing a couple things. They'll be testing out new technologies that they'll be using for next year, but even this year they'll be doing the same kind of science, and that's the science of studying the corona. This is the wispy outer part of the solar atmosphere. You're looking at this right now with real data from the Solar Dynamics Observatory. You're seeing huge eruptions, solar storms, many, many times the size of Earth, that are sending out blobs, billions of tons of solar material and energy out into space. These solar eruptions happen in the solar corona. This is where all the action is happening. And so we want to study this unique area. And during a total solar eclipse, it's a unique opportunity to see this very, very close down to the surface from the ground of observing with a telescope.
That is incredible imagery. And really from it, how long does an eclipse usually happen for?
Well, they can last from seconds to many minutes. This one in South Asia is going to be around 4 minutes. And the one that's happening next year, August 21st, 2017, is going to be somewhere around 2.5 minutes.
That's awesome. And like what you mentioned about where to go for the live stream, can you say it one more time for our viewers, just in case they do want to partake, because it happens at 5 o'clock our time tonight, right when people start getting off of work.
Right. So the best place to go is to go to nasa.gov/eclipse, where you can see both a link to the broadcast as well as a lot of imagery for eclipses and the sun. You can also find out at Twitter at NASA Sun Earth.
And this is so exciting too, because it's like we get a little sneak peek tonight of the real deal coming, because this is such a rare occasion that we're going to actually get to see it here in America next year.
Exactly, and I'm hoping that everyone will get an opportunity to see this unique event next year.
All right, Alex, thanks so much for taking some time out this morning and joining us today.
Thank you, it's been my pleasure.
All right, again, you can watch the total solar eclipse online at 5 o'clock our time tonight. All you have to do is just head to the website right there on your screen. You can also follow them on Twitter. It's at NASA Sun Earth, NASA Sun Earth. Next year, the U.S. will have one that can be seen coast to coast. It's an exciting time. That imagery, Marin and Sean, incredible. Guys, back over to you.
Gorgeous.